Y'all welcome to the SIP. Now let's drop this tailgate and get after them rabbits. There we go. Here we go, baby. Well, look at it, like a Purina commercial going through there now.
And ice cream.
Rip and ice cream. Okay. All right, Super Bowl Sunday in the South, or anywhere in the United States, it's a pretty big event. But in the South, we always try to get us a good rabbit hunt in before the game. So, you know, in February, that's usually the month where we really get after the rabbits. Deer season's over with. We're getting prime, pumped up for them turkeys gobbling and chasing them. So we got a whole month where we're going after small game, rabbits, squirrels, or such. And we get a phone call from our buddy Clay Ritchie at P. Ridge Kennels, and he said, "Kai, I got some show enough heat this year, and they'll run the daggum hair off a rabbit." So he brings his crew. We get with the Lone Cypress crew. We go out to Geeville, Mississippi, to the Green Hill Farm, and man, it was just action the whole time. Jaleel Agnew did a real good job handling the dogs for P. Ridge Kennels. He brought Tice Bowdry and Jacoby Williams with him. Jaleel is the number one dog handler. P. Ridge Kennel, the dog whisperer right here. Jaleel, who we got with you, man?
I got my boy Jacoby Williams.
I got you.
Tice done.
All right, we ready to go. Man, I hate it for the rabbits today. So as soon as we pull up, drop the tailgate, old Rip and April, son, they open up red hot on one. And Andy Hope, one of the Lone Cypress pro staff, he shoots one right off the bat, point blank range within the first, and I'm not joking, 3 to 5 minutes within the hunt. Y'all check this out. I mean, we just turned them out. Woo, they burning it up.
Hey, come on. Oh, hey.
Right there. Hey, right here at the truck, dude. Look right here.
Hey, you better get it for ice cream.
We got it.
Hey.
I mean, the dog just got out the truck. Look here. What we got right here? All right, so right after Andy shoots one at point blank range, walking to the next thicket, Caleb kicks one up. Tally ho, tally ho, tally ho. Dogs get on him. You see Rip and April open up on it. They take off running it red hot. And Caleb and the boys put a real good shot on him. Check this out. Tally ho, tally ho, tally ho, tally ho, tally ho. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. There we go. Here we go, baby. Get him up, Rip. Get him up, Rip. Get him up, Rip. They said he couldn't see him. Hey, rabbit, coming at you, Caleb. Hey, we 2 for 2 already, and we ain't been hunting 20 minutes, bro.
Give me some.
Man, we finna. Yes, sir. Andy, what you think, man?
Fun.
What he's young, he was finna beat that pack of beagles through there. So that something was ready. He was.
I seen that.
That dog there says she's got it. I don't know where the rabbit's coming out at, but she says she got it. She's bringing it back. Come right down this.
I don't know if he got him or not.
Is he dead? That's 3 in about 30 minutes. My man got him. Man, them dogs running today. So that's 3. 3. Head shot that one.
Yeah.
Look at that. Boy, that's what I'm talking about. You don't run no meat like that.
Right in front of me.
That's right where
I was about 400 yards back up in the briars.
Yeah.
And I have dogs right in front of me. Never saw a rabbit, and I was literally saved by Jaleel.
Saved by Jaleel.
Yeah, I didn't know where to get out or where to get out.
That's April picking them back up. That rip. I think that's your combination right there.
I left Dean Rocky at the house because he run them yesterday.
I like that April now.
April, that little Ruby dog's good too. That's her sister. They look just alike.
All right. I'm finna run right back out here. Boy, they burning it up.
You hear a rip, didn't you?
I hear rip now. So we continue. We're going up, and now on our lease over here, it's some old ground to where it used to be some bean fields and some cattle ground. So it's set up real good for rabbits. It's got the thickets with bush hog lanes around it. We hit one of them, and you can see old Caleb Brown's son. He spots a rabbit hole in there, and old cypress or cedar limb laid over there, and he shakes it, and rabbit takes off running. And again, Andy Hope quick on the trigger. He unloads and he hollers tally ho, and you can see old Ice Cream Rip in April as they get together and open up on that rabbit and run it red hot. Matter of fact, they ran it right back under my legs into another thicket. Y'all check this out.
I'm about to grab this little limb right here and drag it. This little pine limb. Tally ho, tally ho, tally ho, there he went. Did you get him? Did you kill him? Huh? I knew that looked too good for a rabbit.
I don't think so.
I dropped that pine limb.
Yeah. That point up there, Katie. Point up there. I was in the way. Hey, Dane show right here. Huh? Yeah, I got him on camera. He about run up my pants leg. Can go right down through there. Right there he went, Katie. Right there, on the other side of that, on the other side of that line. I'm about positive, bro.
There he goes.
There he goes, there he goes.
I can't shoot that.
He's going that way. He's finna walk out in the field, go out in the field.
Man, I never saw him.
Did you see?
I saw him.
Get ready, he may come back this way.
What the hell? Kill him.
Tally ho, tally ho, tally ho, tally ho. I knew I saw him come behind that log and I said, Caleb, there he goes. You could, I was so tall I could see over everything, you know. I want to say special thanks to all the men and women serving in the military, me being a Marine, something dear to my heart, all the first responders. Thank y'all for what y'all do. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.